7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Back charge. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to bring the left hand behind the back and step forward. 1. I'm going to pull, but stop her on 2. Now I'm going to pull, so to turn to the right on 3. As I turn right, catch to the other side. 5. Back charge. 6. Get off the slot. 7. Catching the left hand at the bottom. So now I'm going to go back to back on 1. 1, 2, bring the arms down on 3. So now we're going to be turning to the right as I flick the right hand behind her back. 5. So now I'm going to bump the elbow to bring the hand up. 6, as I catch the right hand behind the back. 7, and we're off the slot. So now I'm going to be bringing her forward. 1, left arm's going to go over the head. 2, I'm going to let go of that left hand. And on 3, the right hand is going to check to my right side. 3. So now I'm going to go back over my head to the left to give her a quick left. 5, catching the shoulder, doing a right turn. 6, 7, off the slot. Now we give her a 1.5 right. Lead her forward on 1. Palms go down. 2, palms go up. 3, guys pike. 4, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go forward on 1. Turn to the right on 2. Step to the side on 3. Then turn quickly to the left on 5, 6, 7. Now 1.5 right. Forward on 1. Turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.